the concept is called the infinite combo. So I didn't mean a specific infinite combo. I meant the idea of an infinite combo is connecting a series of moves together where you can drop in at any point in the combination and it will circle back around to that same point if you did a full cycle of the combination. With the right hand overhand, the left hand underhand, and if you face sideways, that would be great. Okay, and so now let's do the flower. The left will go forward, right will go back. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and out, up, out, down. Second time out, up, out, down. Third time out, up, down. Fourth time out, up, down. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn right into the overhand butterfly, do a butterfly turnaround 360. So you keep going right, and then you go right another 90 degrees. Right? So if we broke down just that part of it, your right hand's overhand, your left hand's underhand, you're going to, right hand's overhand, left hand's underhand. Yes. So you basically do first 90, second 90, third 90 into underhand butterfly, fourth 90 back to where you were. So you did basically you did a 360, and then you're going to go another 90 degrees to the front, and then another 90 degrees so that you end up on the right side instead of the left side. So you're basically doing six positions, if you will, 6 90-degree turns. Okay, then we're here at this other flower where the left is overhand, right is under. Then we're going to go into the 4-petal flower. Right will go front, left will go back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So sides, top, sides, down, sides, top, sides, down. 2 more sides, top, sides, down, and sides, top, sides, down. Now we're going to mirror image what we just did to turn, only we're going to turn left. So it'll be 6 turns to the left, right? So 1, then take out left, you're on the left side. Then bring your right hand into underhand butterfly away from me. Then take out left, you're back where you started. Then we're going to go 2 more, bring your right hand into overhand butterfly, and then take out left, and you're back at the very beginning of the combination in side opposite right with the right hand overhand, left hand underhand, and we're going to go back to this flower. So now, you could do this any way you want. And when I mean any way you want, you could consider this the starting point of the flower, or you could do something like this where you're more sneaky. So don't blink, right? I'm just going here into the horizontal instead of going down here. If you wanted to, you could do that. For the purposes of what we're doing, I'm going to start down to the bottom though. But I'm just more giving you options. Okay, and now here we go. We'll go into the flower. 5, 6, 7, 8, out and up and out, down, out, up, out, down. 2 more out, up, down, and last time out, up, down. Now we're going to do 6 90-degree turns to the right. So 1, bring it into overhand butterfly, take out to the right, come into underhand butterfly, take out to the right, you're back, you did your full 360, come to overhand butterfly again, take out right, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 4 times with the flower, out, up, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, and out, up, down. We're going to do the left turn 6 times, and butterfly turnaround, and then keep going to the other side, left hand overhand, right hand underhand. And we're going to do the flower. So let's do the flower 8 times. Right hand's underhand, left hand's overhand. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sides and up and sides and down. Sides, up, sides, down. Sides, up, sides, down. Sides, up, sides. 4 more. Sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down. 2 more. Sides, up, sides, down. Last one. Sides, up, sides, down. Now we're going to turn to the left to butterfly. Now we're going to turn to the left side. Now turn to the left to underhand butterfly. Turn away from me. Yep, yep. And then left comes out, and you're back on the right side. So take out left. Now turn to the front into overhand butterfly. And then the left take out so that you're facing the left side. And now we'll do the flower 8 times here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down. And now we're going to turn to the right. So turn right into overhand butterfly, then right takeout. As you turn right again to underhand butterfly facing away from me, right takeout, back to where you started here, right takeout or right take into the overhand butterfly, and then one more 90-degree turn to the right side, and we've completed one full cycle of the whole combination. And let's do it again. So 8 times in the flower, 5, 6, 7, 8, and sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides. 4 more times. Sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down. 2 more. Sides, up, sides, down, and sides, up, sides, down. So left turn, 90 to the front into overhand butterfly, 90 to the left side, 90 to underhand butterfly facing away from me, 90 to the right side, 90 to the front, and then 90 more to the left side. Left is under, right is over. 8 times with the flower. 5, 6, 7, 8, and sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, and 4 more times, and sides and up, sides come down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, and last time, both up, sides, and down. Now we're going to do the right turn to the overhand butterfly, right turn to the right side, right turn to the underhand butterfly facing away from me, right turn back to the left side, right turn to the front and overhand butterfly, right turn back to the right side, and we're back. We've done 2 full cycles of the combination now. Left is over, right is under. We'll do 2 more full cycles. So 8 times with the flower, 5, 6, 7, 8, and sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides. 4 more times. Sides and up, sides and down, sides and up, and sides and down, sides, up, sides, down. Last one, sides, up, sides, down. Okay, left turn 6 times 90 degrees. So to the front and overhand butterfly, to the left, to the back in underhand butterfly, to the right, to the front and overhand butterfly, and to the left side. 5, 6, 7, 8 times with the flower, and sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down. 4 more. Sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, and last one. Sides, up, sides, down. Right turn 6 times to the front and overhand butterfly, to the right side, to the back and underhand butterfly, to the left side, to the front and overhand butterfly, and back to the right side. Left is overhand, right is underhand, and 8 times. 5, 6, 7, and go. Sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down. 4 more. Sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, and last one. Sides, up, sides, down. Left turn 6 times, and to the front and overhand butterfly, to the left side, to the back and underhand butterfly, to the right side, to the front and overhand butterfly, to the left side, left under, right over. 8 times in the flower. 5, 6, 7, 8, and sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, down, sides, up, sides, and 4 more times, sides and up, sides and down, sides and up, sides and down, sides, up, sides, down. Last time, sides, up, sides, down. Right turn 6 times to the front and overhand butterfly, to the right side, to the back and underhand butterfly, to the left side, to the right into overhand butterfly, and to the right, and now you're back where you started. And that was 4 full cycles of that combination.